Want to ace your PSLE Science? Here's how to study effectively and score. Every science question boils down to 3 key elements: concepts, keywords, and answering techniques. First, concepts. Mastering them is essential for Booklet A. Tricky MCQs test your understanding, so you need to be able to apply concepts to new scenarios, combine ideas from different topics, and tackle common misconceptions. Second, keywords. Teachers look for these when marking your paper. By using the right keywords, you can score essential marks in Booklet B and clearly convey scientific concepts. Third, mastering answering techniques is crucial. This means referring to information in the question, identifying variables, stating hypotheses, aims and conclusions, interpreting graphs, and applying relevant concepts. Comparing different experimental setups using words like good, better, or best. Want to master these strategies? Join our intensive 3-day PSLE Science Revision course from 3rd to September 5th. Sign up now. Link in the description.